It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the...
Hey guys, it's Kinsey, and today I am filming my holiday wish list for Christmas 2013. The reason I am doing this video is actually because I saw Aspen or Hot Brilliance do it last year, and I thought that's a really good idea. I just didn't want this to come across as like I think that Christmas is all about the gifts or anything like that at all. Like, that's not what I'm saying, but I know it would just be really helpful to some of you guys because coming around like this time of year is when people ask you what you need for Christmas and everything, and then I thought like I always sit there and I'm like, oh, I don't really know, but I thought if I told you guys kind of what I want and a little bit, then maybe it would help you guys out, like give you some ideas. In no way, shape, or form am I getting all of these things at all, but I'm just like listing off things that like I eventually would like to have. So I just thought it'd be like a really easy, great video. I will link Aspen's below since she did like give me the idea to do this video, and I'm actually pretty sure, yeah, Molly did this video too, so I'll link Molly's too because she did it for me. So yeah, I'll just go off like my list. I have 10 things listed, but like I'm not gonna get all these things at all. I'm not expecting all these things. I'm just like putting them on my list. So, okay, the number one is iPad mini, and I know I mentioned this in another video. I'm not sure if this is gonna be up first or whatever, but I really like the iPad mini just because it will be like I can read on it, and I love reading, and I like read a lot more if I have like better access to books and stuff, and I just like the size of it. And then for traveling and stuff, it's really gonna just be like really entertaining and help me a lot just with traveling this year because I'll be traveling a ton. So I just like, overall, it's just like a really good thing. I used to have the iPad and I sold it to get my Canon T3i, but I didn't really use it because it was so big, so if I get a small one, I think it'll work out, and I'm really, really hoping I get that in. Number two is a like Marc Jacobs bag, which I'm not going to get this year because I've already asked for like other things, but I just want a nice purse. Like, I used to like always have nice purses, and now I just don't, so I really just want like a nice quality handbag. But the purse, like my dream purse would be the Marc Jacobs, is like the Marc by Marc Jacobs bag. I don't know, it'll be like over here somewhere, but I absolutely love that purse. Any like nice purse, I think. My parents are divorced, so I can like ask for different things from each of them. It's like the one, like there's a few perks of having divorced parents. Christmas is definitely one, but yeah, I'm just gonna ask for like a nice purse, and that's my dream purse, not that I'm gonna get that one. And then number three is a Michael Kors iPad case, or just like an iPad case. I say Michael Kors now because I saw this one at Nordstrom the other day when I was with my sister, and we both really liked it, so I'm kind of hoping I get that one. If not, like just a normal iPad case would be awesome, but I really did like the iPad mini case, but I'm sure I would like any case. I just would love to have that one. And then number four is something that's been on my Christmas list for like 3 years now, and it's just always like the one that gets pushed aside because they've got me so many other things. But it is my Sigma makeup brush, or like a Sigma makeup brushes kit. I want the like blue kit. I mean, they're the most popular ones that are all over YouTube and stuff. Those are the ones I really want. I have like seriously been waiting to get Sigma brushes. I've asked for them pretty much every single holiday or anything for the past like 2 or 3 years, but they've just been pushed aside so much because I've like wanted other things in front of it. But this year I definitely want the Sigma makeup brushes because I've been waiting for so long, and I need good makeup brushes for like tutorials and stuff, you know? Right, and then number five is something that I'm sure on a lot of our Christmas lists, but it's the Naked 3 palette. I have all of the Naked palettes actually back there. No, that's a lie. I have the Naked Basics and the Naked 2, and then my mom has the Naked 1. So like in my household we have all of them, but I have like personally the Naked 2 and the Naked Basics. I really want the Naked 3 because I feel like the Naked 1 and 2 were kind of more similar, and I feel like the Naked 3 is like really different because it's more of like the rose gold colors and everything, more of like a romantic palette. But I really hope I get that. I'm pretty sure I will though because my mom's already like asked me about it, and my sister wants it too, so I think she's gonna get 2. Hopefully she orders that soon because they're very, very much, I think they're like really on back order. They were all sold out or something like that. I don't know. When they came out, that'll be the one time that I'm broke that they came out. But I mean, I'm really, really hoping I get that. Okay, and then number 6 is the Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen book. I want the like influence book, the one that's like their fashion book thing. It came out in 2008. I've looked for it everywhere. Every time I'm at a bookstore, every time I'm anywhere, I can never find it. It's really frustrating. But I hope they'll just like order it online or something. I really, really want that book. And I'm really into like fashion books and everything. I have a bunch of like Teen Vogue stuff that I read a lot, and I don't know. I'm just really into like fashion and like fashion as careers, and I feel like that would be like a good thing. So then number 7 is Steve Madden booties. I actually went to the mall the other day, like 2 days ago on Black Friday, and I saw them there and I really want them. I've seen a few people have them, but I want them in brown with the tan color because I feel like it'd be great for winter, and you could transition them into spring and summer so easily, like with dresses and everything. And I'm not a big spring and summer clothes fan, like I'm much more like fall and winter, but I want to be spring and summer too because I mean that's like half the year. So I'm trying to like get things that I would actually like to wear because most of the time I just don't like spring and summer clothes, and I really wish I did, but I'm going to make it happen with these beauties. It's my plan. Okay, and then number 8 is a beauty blender. I have a beauty blender from Natasha, or Beauty Blender 39. She got me for my birthday, but I use it every day and I use it so often and I've washed it so many times that it's like so full. Even though I wash it, it's kind of bad. Like it's right here actually. Let's see. Okay. So it's just like, you literally, this used to be green, there's nothing, you like squeeze it out and stuff comes out of it. Even if I wash it, I've spent so much time, so I really just need a new one. So I'm asking for that, like for a stocking stuffer or something. But thank you, Natasha, because that lasted me a long time and I use that every single day. It was a really good present. You are brilliant. And then number 9, just clothes. I mean, my mom normally does pretty good with this. The number one like thing I want though is the like Moselle Brandy Melville sweater, the cream one. I have it in black, but I want it in cream for like spring, obviously, and I feel like it's just like such a good year-round sweater. So that's like number 1 for clothing, and then I normally will just ask for like a few things from like Nordstrom and Topshop and all that stuff that I like, and my mom normally does pretty good with that. So I don't really know like specifically with clothes, but I definitely do want clothes in that sweater for sure, and I love it. If you guys are looking for anything, I definitely like suggest looking online for clothes before you ask for something, because you know it's a big deal. Alright, and then number 10 is the last thing on my list. I want Lush products. I've never even had anything by Lush and I hear about it all the time. I really love Lush products. So I know I want the like bubblegum lip scrub because my lips get super chapped and that'd be great. I don't really have like specific Lush products. If you guys know of great Lush products, please leave them in the comments below so I can ask for those, because the website's really big and I don't really know what to ask for, but I definitely want to try out some of their stuff. So yeah, that is it for my list. I like being surprised on Christmas. My mom normally does really good with that too, so I don't really like ask for every single thing that I get, you know, even though like I end up liking all of it. So yeah, but that is all I have on my Christmas list. Please leave a comment below of what you guys want, or if you make videos, leave it in the video response thing, if we can even leave video responses anymore. I don't know, Google Plus, or is it even Google Plus? I don't even know how I forgot that. So annoying and no one likes it, and YouTube, you need to take the hint. But yeah, that is all I have for my video today, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!